Yes guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're back again. It's been so many of battles. I have 124 gifts, and I found out that this Christmas thing finishes at year when the year ends. So we have 14 days. And that's enough to get like 80. Then we have challenges. I'm kind of stuck. Okay. Popcorn. Capture 4 flags. Heal others. 5,000 health. Then we have sequence. I don't know how it's going to be there. This is my profile. I've been not there for long, but on season 1 I got 719 kills. Now I have 114. On season 10 I have 105. You see, that day I had 32 hours of playtime, and I was top 14 KPG, 228,161, a kill streak of 5, a KD ratio of 0.27. Those days. Hey, let's go back.
Okay, this time you might think that I'll disturb. Nah.
Okay.
I will not disturb you, okay?
We're just waiting. Okay.
Can you give me some turn?
Oh my gosh.
Will you give me some one turn?
Yeah, I got the knife. I forgot to make a video, but I got to level 60. Got a knife.
Nah, the guy is Kipri, Ohio.
He didn't kill me.
The knife makes you faster.
No, it's a melee weapon which makes faster. But I love the knife.
What? It's just useless. You cannot throw it.
I can shoot it.
How?
Ambush.
Protect it.
Kill. Close it up. Avadaha. We are protecting this place.
Put some more. We have so much.
I'll repair this play thing. Smiley. I think this is a free win, so yee. There's a guy. Lock the place, lock up. Locked up. This is an easy one. I'm just gonna drive away. This is so easy one. Just keep it up. And even if they get in, bruh, they have to catch up so much. 99, 100, that was too easy. Let's throw a bomb. Yeah! The bomb is flying in midair. Hey, victory! Dun 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 dun. 500 speed. Payload.
I can try this line, please.
Wait, let me see.
One round.
Let me see which world is it. Which thing is this?
First land.
Upload or click. So,
Okay, thanks.
what should you do? Compound. Yeah. collect enemy dog tags. What are dog tags? I just kill them and collect this stuff.
They drop those? Oh, those are the two wrestlers.
I'll try.
The thing that we wrestle. Some people wrestle.
Those tag.
Oh, I'll take it. I'll
Try
take
to take some. There's some down.
I'll try.
What are you doing?
I'm so scared.
I'll try.
I'm so scared. Wait.
Bro, you're gonna lose.
I won.
They already won. They already have a lot.
I'm just scared. I'm a newbie. You forgot to teach me when I told you. Throw it as a grenade. You have more than them. Now you can give me.
I haven't got a single kill. No one is here. Let's throw some bombs. I shot a bomb.
I try.
I got killed.
This time I'll try.
Kill yourself. I'll see if you can get your own dog tag. Just shoot bombs at your feet. Just put it on a wall, then just get towards it. Yeah.
Okay.
Now just change this to health pack. And this thing to a smoker. Now just, you're trapped. No problem. Just break it. Just break it. Just break it. Why are you What are you doing? They opened it. Well, they locked you in.
Yeah. Oh, that's the refill corner. I went.
Go get some dog tag. Just don't chill around.
I'm looking for my dog tag. Oh, somebody took it.
No, your dog tag is not like appears. Somebody else has to kill you. You should have.
Smoke grenade.
Yeah, shoot it. Let's see this sticky grenade.
Just die.
Sticky grenade. Come on.
Oh, I got an idea. What if we throw everything at them? It'll be sticky.
Go get some.
This thing is blocking. I have to talk.
Blow yourself up.
Why?
What are you doing?
I'm looking.
That's not looking. Everyone's already down.
There's nobody.
They are down. You can't see them. You can only see your team. Look, one is there. Go that hole.
This is so hard.
Go down. Which world are you going?
Hello, from there we go down. Hello, Skibidi. FBI, open up.
Why are you doing that? Push it.
FBI, we gotta see. You have to blow that up. FBI opening the door.
Double tap it.
Double tap this.
Present, please get a present. Oh.
Huh? Oh, present. I forgot. Present.
You already took it. You're too slow. It's just too bad. Go find it. Go into the dead end.
So we're getting.
I'll break a wall in that place. Where are you going?
That's kind of booty.
Come on.
I wanna go.
The game is gonna finish. Just push it. Just go through it.
I can't.
See. So easy. Look.
Present. Let me get the present. I gave you a present. I repaired you. He was waiting for his friend to get it. I was like, nah. Cling, cling.
Then you died.
At least I gave you a present.
You already had a lot of it.
You told that you really want a present, right?
I wanna save a present. Oh, no. Blow the sigma up and boom.
After this round, can we go to my account in Google Chrome and play?
Okay.
After this round. I meant after 3 minutes. What are you doing? Scooby Ohio, Chrysler Bush Martin. Ohio. Yes.
I need to tap.
Try taking the bazooka.
Yeah.
The bazooka you can
But it has a lower shot. It's really hard to shoot sometimes.
like try taking the sniper. What about the assault rifle? Your hand is right.
I need to change the emojis. 'Cause I can't communicate better. I need to communicate. I can't. Okay, I need to go home.
Can we go to my account?
No.
Please. Hi. You didn't buy anything. Sure, 10 diamonds.
Everyone has 10 diamonds.
I do not even have a single coin.
These are my hair and these are my head.
I
love my
This is
man.
my hat. This.
Random hat.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, let's change the GG to. Yeah, now I have that. Can I play?
Yeah. Wait, should I join? ഇന്നെന്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു?
Okay. Get in the car. Start up the car. Get in the car. 360 degree car. 360 degrees of
I'll come, okay?
One.
Can you
Here's a rainbow.
Can you exit?
No. First you do it. Then
I'm already here.
okay. First you come. Then I'll do.
How can you come?
Just turn it on. That's it.
I have data. This is
Don't
not
use-
my phone, this is my dad's.
Don't use data.
I don't care about
പണ്ട് ഞാനും ബാജിയും ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാം കൂടി അവിടെ പോയി അതുപോലെ അവിടെ പോയി ജനിച്ച് ഇടാം. ഇതിന് പുറത്തോട്ട് ആ ടെറസിലോട്ടൊരു ഗ്ലാസ് ഒക്കെ ഇറക്കി ഒരു ഷീറ്റൊക്കെ, കാരണം ആ ബിൽഡിങ്ങിന്റെ ആ ഒരു മലയുടെ മാനേജറായിരുന്നു. ആ പുള്ളി തന്നെ അത് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു. ചെറിയൊരു ബിൽഡിംഗ് ഉള്ളായിരുന്നു, ബാക്കി പുള്ളി എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് സെറ്റപ്പ് ആക്കി.
Mapping is kind of bad.
ഞങ്ങൾ പോകുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഞങ്ങൾ ഫ്ലാറ്റ് കണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതിലൊരു ചെറിയ ബാത്റൂം, അത് ബിൽഡിംഗ് ബാത്റൂം ഉള്ളത്. അന്ന് അത് 200 രൂപ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇപ്പം അവിടെ നമുക്ക് അതെല്ലാം പോയി. ഞങ്ങൾ ബുക്ക് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
So you joined?
Should my account have gone out of my father's account? Wait, I have to wait.
Slow. I got 9 kills with my. I literally got 9 kills. Just squish that guy in front of 2 cars, making him die. Just be desperate.
Are you coming?
Come on.
I'm logged in. Can you please
Okay.
exit?
Make it.
I already made it.
You're just making it now. Let me go to a battlefield and just die. My ping. I have 53 FPS.
I have that also. I have all the FPS. I'm level 5. Which level are you in?
60. It's gonna take you.
Look.
I'm driving my car.
It's taken 2000 years.
Oh no. Okay, I'm coming. I'm so close to the stone. Okay, I'm gonna make a party. I'll create a party.
The party thing came.
W.
I think I need to click this. I'll make a party.
W.
I'll make
No, I already made W74P1. W74P1.
Wait, I'll go back and do it. Wait. Just pause the video and do it.
W74P1.
Pause the video, please. It'll
A
take
quick lapse. Okay, he's finally back. W74P1. No need a capital. You can stay normally.
P1.
You need to put in capital. Capital P. For some reason it's not coming. W74P1. 4 P. It's already there.
I clicked the button. You type. Oh no, it went. Other we can play Battle.net, Crazy Games and Pokey and others. It can be everywhere.
ഇപ്പം വേറെ ആള് താമസിച്ചിട്ട് ചുമ്മാ
Man, why is it taking so long?
Quick claps. Oh, Nani.
നീ അടുക്കില്ലെങ്കിൽ
W.
7 4 P 1.
Was my guy not coming? I think it's because we have VPN.
Huh?
എന്തോ വീട്ടുകാര്
I don't even know I use VPN. We use Proton VPN.
1 second. Here.
I had to run 4 miles out of my house. I run 3, 2, 1.
You did not.
I'm going to.
Press stop running away. Ah, my car got stuck. Hey, I found another present today. I'm gone. And it's a present. And he's gone.
What do you mean? I don't listen after this year.
God, there's so many. But I don't even know how to play.
അവനാണെങ്കിൽ പുറത്താകുമ്പോൾ അവർക്ക് ഓട്ടം
I'm not the place to the cupboard.
ഭയങ്കര പേടിയാണ് ഇത് കൂട്ടിയിട്ട് ഇല്ല എല്ലാം പ്രായമുള്ള പിള്ളേരൊക്കെ സ്കൂളിൽ പഠിക്കുന്ന ഇത് മാത്രമല്ല
Another whole take it. This is my present order of gifts. What can we do?
ഫോട്ടോ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഡാമി കേൾക്കുള്ളൂ അതും ഭയങ്കര ടെൻഷനാണ് അതുകൊണ്ട് എന്താ പറയുക യാത്ര ഞങ്ങൾ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വന്ന് അതിനെ വിളിച്ചാൽ ഞാൻ ഇറങ്ങുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ കാർ നോക്കണം ഇങ്ങോട്ട് പോകും
Peacefully. Need to replace them away. I got the tank. I killed him. Him just running on my truck. Just so damaged. It just died because of touching. Yeah, you can go that way. I will go this way to get my car down. Turn around. 360 degrees. How did we get defeated? We were so close to winning.
നമ്മുടെ ഈ കമ്പനികളിലെ പണ്ട് ഈ ബില്ലൊക്കെ അടിക്കുന്ന എന്തോസരം പറയുന്നത് പേരാണ് നമ്മൾ എഴുതി വെക്കുന്നത്. ഈ നമ്മുടെ കമ്പനി പോകുമ്പോഴാണ് ഇതെല്ലാം പേര് ഇതുമായിട്ട് യാതൊരു
Come on. How did you do that? Player 16.
നമ്മളൊക്കെ കമ്പനിയുടെ എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ ആവശ്യം കമ്പനി എന്നോട് പറഞ്ഞ് അവിടെ ആളുടെ വേണം റോജർ കമ്പനി പോയിട്ട് ഞാൻ റോജർ എവിടെയത് പുള്ളി പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു ഇതാ മറ്റേ കമ്പനിയുടെ അപ്പറേ ഏത് കമ്പനി ഇവര് വർക്ക് ചെയ്ത ഗ്രാൻഡ്മാരുടെ പോലെ നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ പലത് മനസ്സിലായിരുന്നു എവിടെയായിരുന്നു പിന്നെയാണ് ഇത് കത്തി പിടിച്ചു വരുമ്പോഴാണ് ആളുടെ പേരാണ് റോജർ കമ്പനി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് റോജർ കമ്പനി എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത് കമ്പനിയുടെ കാര്യമല്ല പുള്ളിയുടെ മനസ്സിൽ വ്യവഹാരത്തിൽ അങ്ങനെയാണ്
ആൾക്കാരുടെ പേര് അവിടെ ഈ മാനേജർമാർ പേര് പറയുന്നത്
അയ്യോ
പേര് പറയുന്നത് പുള്ളി സംഘത്തിന്റെ പേരെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കേൾക്കും അതുമായിട്ട് ബന്ധം വരുന്ന പേര് പുള്ളിയെന്ന്
Hey, don't push me.
പറയാം
Don't push me. The guy covered. The guy covered too. I'm just in the corner. There's no zombie.
ഈ ഒച്ചപ്പാടുണ്ടാക്കാൻ അവനത്ര സ്നേഹമാണ് അവരോട് പിന്നെ സ്നേഹമാണ് അവന് ചേട്ടനെ വിളിക്കൂല
They're pushing him. I guess we are winning this one. Skip laps. 10 laps finished, but I turned off the time lap because I had nothing to do. I wanna find the zombie.
പോയി കിടക്കാനാ പത്തരയില്ലേ എമിനാക്കി ഫോൺ വെച്ച്
That's the zombie right there.
ആ അങ്കിളിന്റെ വീട്ടിലെ കൊച്ചിനെ ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോയിട്ട് ഫോൺ